Hi everybody, it's Nancy Mazo at Notably Nancy YouTube channel. Hello again. This video, and please spend the 2 or 3 minutes watching it because it will save you hours. This video is about the new VIPKid Spotlight Edit program and how I spent over an hour on this and you don't need to. Okay, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please hit the subscribe button. I'm really wanting you to join our community. I give you tips, tricks, and trending issues at VIPKid specifically, and also just for ESL online teachers. If you're back again, welcome back, and use this time-saving trick. Okay, let's get into it because I am between classes and I really just finished making my video and want to get this out to you before you waste the kind of time that I did learning about this. Okay, a little history. In the past, when we did spotlight videos, VIPKid gave us a choice of 6 clips to which we could choose 3 and they put them together. Okay, there is a new option where they upload a class for you and tell you that you can edit your own video, and it could be from 20 to 60 seconds long featuring you. Okay, so what happened was I got very, very excited about this option. I watched my whole video and look what I did. Okay, I put from minutes to minutes through a whole 25-minute video what little clips that I wanted to take from this video. I had what did you learn in this unit, and you did a great job today, and practicing in my umbrella letter card, and I was really into this, and I spent all this time kind of putting together from a lot of different places in my video a 60-second clip, and I thought it was great and I was so excited about it. Okay, now unbeknownst to me, the VIPKid editing system is simple. Okay, I'm used to working in Filmora where I can really edit and cut and paste and everything. It took me all this time to go through my video. Here's the quick tip. Okay, you can start your video at one point and stop it at one other point for your 20 to 60 second video. Okay, so in other words, you have one cut if you decide to edit yourself. You cannot splice together 6 or 7 different ones. So don't make the mistake I did. Pick a 20 to 60 second clip that you think is the best. Don't waste over an hour doing a little thing of what you want to add into your video because you don't have that option as far as I know. Now, if you are someone who's more tech savvy and you realize that you could cut and paste together a few when you're editing yourself, please let us know in the comments because this is what I found today and I don't want you to waste your time. Okay, back to last week's video, the Eat Clean Challenge. I'm sad only one person took me up on this challenge. Now I'm still doing it. No sugar, no white flour, eating healthy. I feel great except for the time I wasted because I didn't know how to edit the video. So I want to wish you a happy week of teaching. If you haven't watched my Eat Clean Diet Challenge video from last week, watch it. It's great. You'll feel so great. Good luck on your spotlight video edit. See you next week. Again, subscribe to my channel and happy teaching. See you again next week. Bye.